Hey guys, so we're doing a follow-up on this wobble that we're seeing on this gear shifter on Jason's Jeep. This is his project Jeep that he's gonna be turning into a Jurassic Jeep. Be sure to go check out his channel, JeepSolid. I'll link it in the description below. So we're gonna run this through a few tests. We're gonna put it up on some jack stands and see if we see any wobble in the drive shafts. We have a forward reverse test we're gonna do. So let's get to it. Rattlesnakes!
Don't drop it.
Actually had this for a Alright, so the first thing we try here, we take a GoPro and we put it underneath on the leaf springs there, trying to get shots of the engine and the front drive shaft, the rear drive shaft, just a few different angles to see if we can see what's going on under the Jeep as we're driving along and it's shaking. So here's a good view from the passenger side. The camera's clipped on the leaf springs there. You can see the oil pan kind of shaking there a bit. Some of those wire harnesses you can see moving as well. So it just, yeah, it gives us a good idea that the engine's moving quite a bit here. Here's another angle. We can see the tie rod's real good. They're doing their jobs. They're not moving around. They look pretty solid. But the engine up there, look at that shaking around. And a good shot of the vibration dampener there. That could be contributing to the problem. Not 100% sure though. And now here's a view from the driver's side. So just another shot of the oil pan and the engine up there kind of wobbling around. The axle and drive shaft, all that, look really steady. So doesn't look like our issue is coming from anything on the axle or drive shaft on the front end here. But now here we get a real good look at that transfer case. Look at that thing go. Wobble, 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 wobble. So yeah, definitely have a transmission mount that's busted. There's no way that transmission mount is doing anything right here. And it really gets going here. Look at that. That's just a great shot of what's going on. So the next, we have this brilliant idea. We really see the engine moving. So why don't we pop the hood up, put a camera up there, drive blind so Jason can't see where he's going, and see if we can actually see the engine from the top moving, see if we can see what's going on there. And this is what we got. Go ahead, you're driving blind. So yeah, the transmission mount is definitely bad, but we're also considering that the engine mounts might be bad as well. So we're kind of looking into those a bit. This just kind of shows the top end of the engine shaking a bit. And of course, as you guys know, we're getting a lot of wobble in our gear shifter here. It's being transferred up from the transmission. So we're also going to investigate the engine mounts, as we suspect they may be bad as well, just kind of contributing to the overall shake. Another culprit could be our harmonic balancer. If this thing is cracked, out of balance, it could be contributing to the factor as well. So we're going to just take a quick look at this. You can actually see down in here how there's bits of metal that are cracked and flaking off of it, so definitely suspect. Let me try to get another angle down in here so you can see that there's like little chunks missing off of this, so could be contributing to some of the vibration that we're getting. So we're kind of checking the engine mounts, and you can, grab a hold of something and try to shake it. Even if I just like gently shake it here a little bit, I'll try to get this on camera for you. The engine moves a little bit. But there's actually another easier way. So we're going to try the forward reverse test. So you just leave it in park. Well, you don't leave it in park.
You put it in forward and reverse.
We're going to start it up, put our foot on the brake, and then put it in drive and see if the engine shifts. Then we're going to put it in reverse, see if it shifts the other way. You shouldn't see a lot of movement in the engine, so let's check it out. So yeah, this is a super easy test. All we're doing, like I said, we're putting it in forward, then back in reverse, and we're just looking to see if the engine is shifting a lot in there. And honestly, this doesn't look that bad. There's a little bit of movement in here when we're going between forward and reverse, but if these engine mounts were really bad, I'd expect a lot more movement. Here's another angle so you can see there's a little bit of shifting in there, but a little bit is kind of to be expected. So honestly, not as much movement there in the engine as I was expecting. We're going to try throwing it up on some jack stands here, put it in drive, see if we can get any of that wobble that way.
But I don't like what's coming after October.
You got baseball, playoffs.
I've been watching, I've watched both games.
So you want to jack her up?
Yeah.
We'll put these right on the axle.
On the what?
On your axle. And at this point, we're just kind of goofing around, just seeing what other evidence we can come up with. You know, we do know that that transmission mount is definitely bad, but, you know, is there another issue with the engine mounts, or the drive shaft is out of balance? So here, we're just kind of getting different angles and looking at different options.
The wheels turning?
Oh, you get your foot on the brake. Okay, there you go. Wow. It's wobbling?
Yeah.
The gear shift's wobbling?
Yep.
So you want me to get underneath it and look at it?
Yeah, totally. Can you do that?
No.
You could.
So it's shaking in here?
Yeah.
Just
it's not as bad. It's harder to find that sweet spot, but right there. Yeah, if I kind of play with the brake a little bit, there we go. Yeah, it's a lot narrower band where that sweet spot is, but I can definitely replicate it. It's shaking without the wheels moving.
Like with your foot on the brake?
Yeah.
So,
is that wheel moving?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It stopped.
Okay. Okay. So now is that wheel moving?
Yeah.
Okay, so they do have to be moving.
So yeah, I'm thinking if we replace the transmission mount, that might solve all of our problems. But could something else be contributing to it? Could this drive shaft be out of balance? That's possible. So let me know what you guys think and leave a comment down below if there's something else we should be looking at or checking. What about when your foot is on the brake or whatever?
So foot on the brake, wheels completely stopped. There's no shake whatsoever. As soon as I start letting those wheels go a little bit, you can see the whole thing sort of starts to whoop, 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 whoop. Almost like there's a rotation involved, like a drive shaft or something like that. Something's turning that's causing it to go whoop, whoop, whoop.
I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment in the description below. Let us know what else we should be looking into. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.
A little faster.